Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to Deputy Deans, Professors, lecturers, and all the beloved students. First of all, I just want to say thank you for inviting me to officiate this event. I want to congratulate to the DaVinci Club. You see, the club is the one organizing, it's not the faculty. So, give them a big clap to them. Also to congratulate to the biomedical science and therapeutic departments, and also to the community and family medicine department for realizing this. We realize that this is very important to have this annual innovation week. So, well, when I look into the presentation just now, so far for the since 2013, we have a lot of great achievement. Congratulations to Prof. Maher.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning to everybody. Salam satu Malaysia, salam satu UMS, and salam satu Smart Campus, and salam Innovation Week. My name is Zakaria Bekamza. I am from the Faculty of Business and Economics and Accountancy. I will be here talking to you in the next 1 hour about this topic, which is digital transformation in the healthcare business.